What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Review. Today we have a My Soil test kit. All right. So I never tested out my soil before. I do fairly well with my lawn. I've been taking care of my lawns for 15 years, 12 to 15 years, give or take. I've been doing pretty good getting rid of the weeds and stuff, especially in this new yard I had. It was nothing but weeds. It was weed infested. But I was looking at a YouTuber named Ron Henry, and he said, I try to get advice from them about using soil tests, and I'm like, okay, let's see how this works. Some people will just say, hey man, just throw some lime down, blah blah blah, but you really don't know what you're throwing down until you actually test your soil. You don't even know if you high on pH or you too high on your nitrogen or your phosphorus or whatever. So I know it's a lot to take in. It's a lot of science in grass and plants. It's a lot of science. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Register, well, it's kind of backward. It's backwards when I'm showing y'all, but right here you register, you collect your soil samples. So you collect your samples, mail your samples to the lab and get your results, and then you amend your soil, which means take care of your soil. All right. On the back, they have your sample planning. Okay. And then collect good representative soil samples. Sorry. And then sample tools. So you get shovel. You can use your shovel, or you can use your probe right here. Okay. So basically the directions are right here. All right. Instructions. You can mail it out. It says no postage necessary. Thank goodness, because I don't have no post. Okay, so here you go. This is what you put your sample in. Send it in. This is simple. I thought this would be a little bit more. Okay, we have a ball up in here. Do not remove the content, just add the soil. Okay, so you don't remove nothing in here. Okay, I'm trying to. All right, so you add the soil, but won't it overfill? Containing nutrients, absorbing capsule and DI water. Warning, capsule is a choking hazard. Okay, well, I don't think I plan on eating anything from here anyway. Okay. I'll give you a little scoop. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to get a bucket, clean bucket, because we don't want nothing to compromise our soil. All right, now here's the inside. This is what that was in, and this is what this was in. Okay, so it says right there, first thing you want to do is register. The second thing you want to do is add your soil. Third thing you do is you mail your kit. And then the fourth thing is get results. And then the fifth thing, take care of your soil. Okay, so okay. So when you're working on your grass, all right, the key to healthy lawn is healthy soil. All right. Just because you go to the big box store and you buy a weed and feed, or that triple action, the what is it, strong turf or whatever, that's all fine. Now on the picture of all that stuff, you see the grass, amazing grass, right? But in order to have amazing grass, you need amazing soil, right? Because roots need air, right? Just like you need air. Roots need air and water to breathe and move, right? But in order for you to move quick, you got to go through an easy surface to move. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you go through a hard surface or you try to push through a hard surface, it takes a little bit longer for you to push through. Just like the roots. If your roots are in compacted soil, right? If your roots are in compacted soil, it takes harder. It takes longer for your grass to grow and the roots to grow. Because in order to have healthy grass and grass that grows correctly, you needed the roots to grow correctly. Sorry for that lecture. I apologize. Okay, so right now we are going to get some test samples and we're going to send it off. All right. Got some dirt off of there. Okay, y'all, so the probe is awesome that I got. I got my soil test. All right, this is the front yard, the side, and the back, the whole yard. Now, next time, I'm going to get 2 different kits. I want to just do the front yard separate, then I'll do the backyard separate. So I should have thought about that, but wasn't really thinking about that at the time. So I almost didn't do the backyard because there's like 1,000 cicadas outside, okay? In the backyard, because I live by the woods. So 1,000 cicadas, bro. Everywhere you turn, there's a cicada. So me getting these samples from the back took some time, okay? Collect soil from 5 to 7 separate locations. We did that. The soil should be collected to a depth of 6 inches. We're good on that. All right, combine the collected soil in a large plastic bag or bucket. Check. Using the provided scoop, collect 1 level scoop of mixed soil and add it to the jar containing DI, water, and nutrition absorbing capsule. Firmly secure the lid. Do not dump water out of jar. They got it in caps and bold. All right, so we're gonna break this seal. It says do not remove contents, just add soil, okay. So right now we're gonna break the seal. All right. Turn it. 1 full level scoop will go in this, all right? Here, it look like it's not gonna fit, but they're the professionals, right? Oh, one fit. All right, y'all saw it. 1 scoop of dirt fits right inside the My Soil capsule. All right, what to do is we're gonna close this. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this back on top like that. Just so. Just like nothing happened, and that's it. All right, so what we're going to do is open our packet. Put it up in there. It is secure. All right, so we're going to put it up in the bag. All right, we're going to break the seal. Open the seal, seal it, I'm gonna put it in my mailbox and I'm gonna flip the flag up, and that's it. Like, comment, and please subscribe. Have a good one.